Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you Unit 15. 오늘 날씨가 정말 덥나요? The weather is very 좋아요, hot today. Now, we are talking about season. 무슨 계절이에요? 날씨가 어때요? Which season is it or what season is it and how is the weather? 요즘 날씨가 어때요? How is the weather these days? 덥다. 여름, hot, summer. Cold, autumn. 쌀쌀하다. Somehow chilly. Cool, cold. 좋아요, 춥다. Cold, warm, spring. 따뜻하다. It's warm. Not so much hot, but it's warm. Now, here we'll study 네요, a grammatical part. When someone uses to express feelings or thoughts about newly learned facts, so we use 네요. Like, 1인치 우리 가족 사진이에요. Miss 1인치, this is our 가족 family photo. 아이가 정말 예쁘네요. The child is very pretty. The other person is expressing the feeling, so 예뻐요, 예쁘네요. 예뻐요. Pretty 예쁘네요. Someone expresses their feelings. 이 잡채 좀 드세요. 제가 만들었어요. Please have some 잡채. I made it. 네, 정말 맛있네요. Wow, it's really delicious. 라멘 씨는 한국어를 정말 잘하네요. Mr. Ramen speaks Korean very well. So a person is expressing the feeling that the other person is speaking, or Mr. Ramen is speaking Korean very well. There's no condition for words, and with consonants and vowels, you use nails. 먹다 먹네요. 좋아하다 좋네요. 오다 오네요. 예쁘다 예쁘네요. 살다 싸네요. In this case, raw, la. We don't use this. 살다 싸네요. 멀다 많네요. 멀다 많네요. Now this is explaining different weathers in different countries. Like, 눈이 오다, snow. 안개가 끼겠다, foggy. Like Russia, Moscow, London, and York in UK and London. 점점 번개가 치다, thunderstorm or lightning storms. It's 중국 China beating, 미국 New York, USA New York, and it's a cloudy. 고래미 기다, cloudy. 한국 Seoul, Korean Seoul, Malta, clear. Philippines, Manila, it's hazy, 흐리다. Vietnam, Hanoi, 비가 오다, it's wet or it's raining. Egypt, Cairo, it's a wind blows windy season, so 바람이 불다. These are the examples of different nakshi weathers in different countries. Now, we use 보다. Remember, in this unit, we study two grammatical parts, 네요 and 보다, and there is no condition in both cases that a weather of words and with consonants and vowels, we use 네요 and 보다. 알래스카 겨울 날씨는 어때요? What is the winter weather like in Alaska? 알래스카는 서울보다 좋아요. Alaska is colder than Seoul. 시간이 늦었네요. 택시를 탈까요? It's getting late, so shall we take a taxi? 아니요, no, 지금은 now. Right now, 택시보다 지하철이 더 빨라요. Subway is faster than a taxi right now. When we compare any subjects with the preceding item, we use 보다. Like, no, the person asking that it's getting late, so shall we take taxi? The other person saying, no, the subway is faster than a taxi right now. 저는 농구보다 축구를 잘해요. I am better soccer than basketball. When we're comparing some two other things, two different things, you use 보다. Okay? 접년보다. 워시아보다. Okay? So there is no condition for words ending with consonants and vowels. Now I'm going to pronounce the vocabulary parts, so please listen carefully. 1. 작년 2. 춥네요 3. 피었네요 2. 다음을 듣고 연습해보세요. 1. 이번 여름 날씨가 어때요? 작년보다 더워요. 2. 올해 많이 추워요? 작년보다 더 춥네요. 3. 공원에 꽃이 많이 피었네요. Now, 날씨, 겨울, 봄, 여름, 가을, 겨울, 따뜻하다, 덥다, 쌀쌀하다, 좁다, 옷이 많이 비다, 바닷가, 밤평기 아름답다, 농촌의 매력을 타다, 말다, 해리다, 비가 오다, 눈이 오다, 고래미 기다, 안개가 기다, 바람이 불다, 천둥, 번개가 치다, 인구, 사구줄, 매우, 새끼를 타다. This is end of Unit 15. See you next video. Stay tuned.